Work feels harder than it needs to be when it lacks an underlying system. Tasks pile up, priorities shift, projects drift, and teams end up reacting to chaos instead of leading with intent. High-quality work follows a repeatable operating rhythm. To move from idea to execution without drifting, you need a structure that handles how work actually unfolds. The Prompt Logic OS work cycle is built on 5 universal phases: clarify, explore, design, execute, and review and refine. We begin at the foundation. Phase 1, clarify. Our goal over the next 5 minutes is to translate a complex project into a single, structured project alignment brief. Open a blank document. Mentally select a project you are currently struggling to start, one that feels messy or ill-defined. Transforming a chaotic brainstorm into this structured brief protects the quality of your work from the very beginning. It ensures your later efforts remain anchored to the original requirements. Start by deconstructing your project into 5 core dimensions. Create headers in your document for problem, audience, goals, constraints, and success criteria. Under problem, describe what you are actually solving. Dig past the surface-level request to find the real challenge underneath. Next, define the audience and your goals. Identifying exactly who the work is for dictates the specific end state you are trying to reach. Move to constraints. These are your hard limits: time, budget, and scope. Skipping this step often leads to projects that look good on paper but are impossible to execute. Finally, set your success criteria. This is your measurable definition of complete. It is how you will know when the work is actually done. Documenting these 5 areas moves your project out of the realm of abstract thought and into a set of structural pillars. With these raw dimensions established, we need a framework to abstract the right information using AI. Prompt Logic OS uses 6 core prompt patterns to structure your thinking: role plus goal, specification, audience adaptation, Socratic, reverse engineering, and task decomposition. In healthcare, you might use role plus goal and audience adaptation to turn complex medical data into a plain language patient guide. In marketing, Socratic and reverse engineering help you deconstruct a competitor's campaign before you begin writing your own. In education, you would use role plus goal and specification to outline the learning objectives for a new course. Selecting the right pattern forces the AI to provide an output that matches the specific requirements of your industry. Step 3. Open your preferred AI platform. We are going to merge your dimensions with your chosen pattern. Type a prompt that combines your prompt pattern with the raw data from your 5 project dimensions. Execute the prompt. As the AI processes the input, notice how it transforms your notes into a formal structure. The AI organizes your initial thoughts into a formatted brief, applying the specific parameters and headers you provided. Ensure the final document contains all 5 headers: problem, audience, goals, constraints, and success criteria, clearly defined. Generating these 5 outputs concludes the clarify phase. You have locked in project alignment before moving into execution. You have successfully replaced a vague idea with a concrete, actionable project alignment brief. This upfront preparation reduces downstream confusion. By defining the boundaries now, you create a path to move faster and work with more precision. With your foundation set, you are ready to move into Phase 2, explore. Save your brief and follow the foundational rule. Get aligned before you move.